Okay, so in this example, again, I'm giving you two coordinates, and you're expected to find the equation of this line. It's 18, so 6, 18, and then negative 12, 3. Okay, this is similar to the last example we did. Just by giving the two coordinates, what is the only thing that I can figure out right now? Slope. Okay, so x1, y1, x2, y2, and how are we going to find the slope given two coordinates? Slope formula. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We're going to use that to figure out the slope of this line because that's the only thing we can do right now. So y2 is 3 minus 18 over negative 12 minus 6. And I want you to tell me what you get written in lowest terms. Okay, so when we reduce this into lowest terms, we get 5 over 6. No, it's positive. So m is equal to 5 over 6. So remember, when we're writing an equation of a line, we need to know m and we need to know b. Do we know b? Do we know the y-intercept? Can we find b by plugging in any other information? I know m. Do I know an x and a y?
Yes, you know what, ma'am.
I know this x and y, or I know this x and y. Can we choose either one? Does it matter which point I choose? No, because both of these points are on the same line. So I would recommend choosing this one because they're both positive numbers. Doesn't really matter. So I know x is 6, and I know y is 18. I also know m is 5 over 6. Can we plug all of that in and find b?
Yeah.
So I know I'm using the first point. Y is 18. M is 5 over 6. Mx means m times x. What was x? 6. I'm going to write that as a fraction. That it means 6 over 1 plus b. Can we isolate this and solve for b? Good. So 18 equals 5 times 6 is 30. 6 times 1 is 6. Plus b. What's 30 divided by 6? Simplify it. Equals 5 plus b. How do I isolate b? It becomes 18 minus 5 equals b. What's 18 take away 5? So b is equal to 13. The question only gave us two coordinates. We were able to find the slope from the two coordinates, and we were able to find the y-intercept by plugging in the coordinate and the slope. Now, who can tell me what is the equation of this line? What's the final answer? Yep.
Y equals 5 over 6x plus 13.
Plus, 5 over 6x, good, plus 13. And that's our final answer. That's the equation of the line.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.